Hello, I'm Cathy Evans and I'm from Preston Baker. I'm standing here today talking to you from number 1, the walled garden in Woolley. I'm stood in the garden and behind me is the wall that gives the property its name. It's originally the wall from the original Woolley Hall itself. The current vendors have obviously put a lot of love into the garden, and it's presented really beautifully. It's been well maintained and it really offers that extra living space, especially for the summer months. This 6-bedroom house is a real must-see. Let's take a look inside. Here in the family epicentre of the house, the kitchen, we've got a beautiful amount of space. The island here, the dining area that's currently housing an 8-seater table. The kitchen's fully fitted, has granite work surfaces and is presented in excellent condition. This wonderful reception room is yet another room that has a look over the walled garden with its feature fireplace, its French windows and just the absolute stunning finish. It's another example of why you should come and have a look at this home. Here we are in the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom has got ample storage, including the fitted storage behind you, and we've got the walk-in wardrobe just here, as well as the gorgeous ensuite just here. And one of the pieces of resistance of this room is that we're looking out over the absolutely gorgeous garden to the rear. Here we are in this beautiful and very desirable area of Woolley, a rural village located just off junction 39 of the M1, so a brilliant property for commuters. We're also within a 20 to 30 minute drive of both Meadow Hall and Leeds city centre, as well as Wakefield, where the nearest train station is.